At IFA 2024, the Tecno Pocket Go stole the show, offering a unique take on portable gaming. This handheld console, shaped like a slightly oversized Xbox controller, isn't just a controller, it's a powerful Windows 11-powered mini PC. Inside, it packs a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor, 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and a 1TB SSD, which means it can handle most modern games on the go. Although it lacks a built-in screen, the Tecno Pocket Go shines when connected to external displays, including augmented reality (AR) glasses. The controller itself is large, thick, and houses a hefty 50 mAh battery, making it perfect for long gaming sessions. Despite not having a screen, it offers seamless gaming experiences when hooked up to your TV, monitor, or even AR glasses. These glasses, called AR Pocket Vision, provide a virtual screen experience equivalent to a 215-inch display viewed from 6 meters away. Although the viewing distance felt a bit far, the visuals were still clear and immersive, and the 6-axis gyroscope inside ensured the virtual screen stayed aligned with head movements. One of the standout features of the Tecno Pocket Go is its ability to provide a console-like gaming experience anywhere, with its integration of Windows 11, high-performance hardware, and the option to connect various peripherals like keyboards and mice for an enhanced experience. Additionally, it allows you to access the growing world of VR and AR gaming, bringing futuristic features to the palm of your hands. However, it isn't all perfect. Tecno has yet to reveal the device's battery life, which is a major concern for any portable gaming system. Will the Pocket Go be able to handle long gaming sessions, or will its size and lack of an onboard screen limit its appeal? Moreover, it remains unclear when the Tecno Pocket Go will be available in Europe, and pricing details are still to be disclosed. Despite these uncertainties, the Tecno Pocket Go feels like a bold move into the future of gaming. The combination of a handheld console with the flexibility of AR glasses presents an entirely new way of playing games on the go. For those looking for something outside of the traditional gaming consoles like the Xbox Series X or PS5, the Tecno Pocket Go might just be the fresh innovation the market needs. This could redefine portable gaming by combining powerful performance with immersive technology. While we're still waiting for further details and availability, the Tecno Pocket Go promises to change how we interact with video games in the future. It's an exciting glimpse into the future of gaming tech that blends handheld portability, cloud gaming, and augmented reality seamlessly. Thanks for tuning. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated.